Good morning, everybody. How y'all doing out there? I want to start off by welcoming Mr. Ernest O'Neill to the group. He got started with us under Mr. James Famba. Congratulations to you, Mr. James Famba, on your success. And congratulations to you, Ernest, who is now able to earn a unlimited $50 with the starter membership packet. This is Infinity Processing System. It's a training course on attraction marketing. They give you pre-written ads and teach you the law of attraction marketing to attract the client to you. So that way you can be able to make a sale with the program. And they give you a branded web page. I have my link in the description and beyond in the bottom if you want to check this out with this intel. So Mr. Ernest got started at the starter level. Be sure to stay to the end. I have a special bonus for today. So if you watch this video, today is September 7th, 2023. The time right now is 2:56 in the morning. I'm up because I love doing this, and I want to make sure I bring everybody the update as soon as it happens. So Mr. Ernest got started right here at the influencer brand marketing for the $50. So he would pay the $39 admin fee to have his website made. There's no monthly fees with this ever. It's a one-time payment. You won't have to pay any more monthly fees. You'll pay a $39. They're going to give you a branded website that looks just like this when I scroll to the top. So he got started with that entails with the packet that he got started at. He's going to get 30 marketing, 20 bonus imaging ads. He's going to get the winning mindset formula. This mindset is very important if you want to start an at-home based business. Art of Persuasion 7-day action plan, so you know exactly what to do, how to do it, and so that way you don't, sit around like what to do next and how to do this. Six-figure closing strip, so you know what to say and how to say when someone's asking you about your business. Very good closing strip. 30 Facebook groups, Craigslist marketing, and Facebook support group, which inside of the support group, we actually do live sessions. She either put some recordings of training or do live training, so that way you better understand how to marketing, how to situate yourself within the affiliate world and be able to make progress in your business. So they do offer a $150 automated secret, internet automated secrets, and the highly recommended six-figure blueprint. This is a $300 product. Again, you're gonna get the $39 for the admin website, but if you join at the pro level, you'll be able to make 300, 150, and 50. If you join at the Elite, it'll be able to make 50 and the 150. Now, I said I want to keep this short. If this is something that you think you are interested in and you want to join in, the link is in the bottom of the description. I'm going to have this bonus for today and tomorrow for the action takers. If you join in at the $300 pro level, I'm going to cut that in half. So you can join in at the pro level at 150 for the day. 150 crossed in. That's coming in at the pro level. If you get started at the Elite level, which is 150, I'm going to send your link through a solo ad, so that way you can start picking up traction right away. Same thing with the $300 pro. You get started with me at the $300 pro. I am going to send traffic to your opportunity so you hit the ground running. So I'm going to cut this real short. Again, the link is in the bottom of the description. If you want to get started with this today, this will be half off. The pro level will be half off at 150. 150 to join in at the pro level. Situate yourself to be able to make $300, 150, and 50. I'll see you guys later on today. Remember, this sale is only lasting for today and tomorrow. So if you see this video for September 7th, 2023, you can get in at 150 at the pro level. The link is in the bottom of the description. And welcome again to the team, Mr. Ernest. and may you have much success, and big ups to you. The link is in the description. Again, if you want to get started at 150 for the pro level. All right, I'll see you guys later and see you on the inside.